Tips for maintaining personal hygiene: a comprehensive guide. Personal hygiene is a fundamental aspect of our daily lives that often goes overlooked. Practicing good personal hygiene not only helps prevent the spread of germs and diseases but also contributes to our overall health and well-being. In this video we will explore essential tips for maintaining personal hygiene, covering various aspects of self-care that are crucial for a healthy and happy life. Daily bathing routine. The foundation of personal hygiene starts with regular bathing. A daily shower or bath helps to remove dirt, sweat, and bacteria from the body. Use mild soap and warm water to clean your body thoroughly. Pay attention to areas like underarms, genitals, and feet, as these tend to accumulate sweat and odor-causing bacteria. Hand hygiene. Clean hands are essential for preventing the spread of infections. Wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after using the restroom, before eating, and after touching surfaces in public places. If soap and water are not available, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Oral care. Maintaining oral hygiene is crucial for both your dental health and overall well-being. Brush your teeth at least twice a day using fluoride toothpaste and a soft bristle toothbrush. Don't forget to floss daily to remove food particles and plaque from between your teeth. Hair care. Proper hair care not only keeps your hair looking good but also contributes to personal hygiene. Wash your hair regularly with a suitable shampoo to remove oil, dirt, and sweat. Use conditioner to keep your hair manageable and avoid scalp problems. Nail care. Trimming and cleaning your nails is an essential part of personal hygiene. Long nails can harbor dirt and bacteria, leading to infections. Keep your nails short and clean, and don't forget to clean under the nails regularly. Clothing and laundry. Wearing clean clothes is an integral part of personal hygiene. Change your clothes daily, especially underwear and socks. Wash your clothes regularly using a good quality detergent to remove sweat, stains, and bacteria. Foot care. Taking care of your feet is essential to prevent foot odor and infections. Wash your feet daily, especially between the toes. Keep your feet dry and wear clean socks made of breathable materials. Properly fitting shoes can also help prevent foot problems. Menstrual hygiene. For women, maintaining proper menstrual hygiene is essential. Change sanitary pads or tampons regularly to avoid infections. Wash your hands before and after changing hygiene products. Skin care. A skincare routine helps keep your skin healthy and radiant. Cleanse your face twice a day using a gentle cleanser. Moisturize to keep your skin hydrated, and don't forget to use sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Personal grooming. Grooming habits like shaving, trimming facial hair, and maintaining personal appearance contribute to personal hygiene. Regular grooming not only helps you look your best but also prevents the accumulation of dirt and bacteria. Respiratory hygiene. Practicing good respiratory hygiene is crucial, especially in the context of preventing the spread of illnesses like colds and flu. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or your elbow when sneezing or coughing. Dispose of used tissues immediately. Sleep hygiene. Getting enough sleep is essential for overall health. Make sure to maintain good sleep hygiene by establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a comfortable sleep environment, and avoiding caffeine and electronic devices before bedtime. Maintaining personal hygiene is a fundamental aspect of self-care that has far-reaching effects on our health and well-being. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can prevent the spread of diseases, maintain your physical appearance, and boost your confidence. Remember that personal hygiene is not just about appearances. It's about taking care of yourself for a healthier and happier life. Even small shifts in your hydration habits can yield significant improvements in your personal hygiene. If you found this video helpful, be sure to show your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing it with others who might benefit. Stay with hygiene and stay healthy. Thanks for watching.